Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, today we are going to start our chapter number 9, that is Means of Transport. Let's begin. Need for transport. Means of transport are needed to travel from one place to another. In earlier time, humans traveled on foot. Later, animals were used for transporting people and goods. With the invention of machines running on steam, electricity, and fuels, faster means of transport were developed. Means of transport. Means of transport are used to transport goods and people from one place to another. The type of transport used by the people depends upon the distance that needs to be traveled. Different means of transport. Different means of transport which are used to travel from one place to another are land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. Land transport is also called the means of road transport. The two types of land transport used today are road transport and rail transport. These are the means of transport that are used to travel by road or rails. Cycles and rickshaws are used for traveling very short distances. Motorcycles, scooters are two-wheelers used today. Auto rickshaws are three-wheelers used by people. Buses, cars, taxis are popularly used today. Trains are the best means of transport to travel long distances. Passenger trains, goods trains, local trains are the different types of trains which are a part of Indian Railways. Good trains are used for transporting goods between cities in Mumbai. Local trains are the popular means of transport. Trams are famous in Kolkata. Children, do you know one of the fastest train of the world is the bullet train CRH 380 of China. Water transport. The means of transport used to travel on water are called water transport. Water transport is one of the cheaper means of transport used for transporting goods and people. As compared to land and air transport, water transport is much slower. Heavy and bulky goods can be easily transported by the ships. Boats and rafts were used for water transport. Later, these came to be replaced with yachts, steamers, motorboats, and ships. These have been replaced with the faster ships and the luxury liners which travel even faster. Harbors. Harbors are the places where ships are anchored. Harbors may be natural or it can be man-made. Ports are the cities which have harbors near them. Ports are cities where ships carrying goods are loaded and unloaded. Most ports in India are located along the coastal plains of India. Air transport. The means of transport used for air is called air transport. This is the fastest means of transport. The Wright brothers were the first to invent the aeroplane. Air transport is able to carry people and goods from one place to another within a few hours. In the beginning, biplanes were used. These came to replace with the faster planes, aeroplanes, helicopters, and jets. Later, supersonic aircrafts came to be used. All big cities of India have airports. Helicopters are also very useful in air transport. They can hover in the air for a long time without moving. Helicopters are used to transport food and medicines during emergencies to the people in remote places. Now, safety on roads. Short distances should be covered by walking. Therefore, it is important to follow the safety rules while walking and driving on the road. Some of the safety rules we must always follow are: Number 1. Do not run or play on the roads. Number 2. Never walk alone. Always have a companion with you while walking on the road or crossing it. Number 3. Always walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. Number 4. Always follow traffic rules. Number 5. Always use the zebra crossing or foot over bridge or subways to cross the road. Number 5. When you cross the road, wait for the traffic to stop. First look to your right and then left and again to your right and then cross the road. Thank you. I hope the chapter is clear to you all.